In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Substack drafts. If you're a Substack user, you might have started a post idea, paused for some inspiration, and now you're wondering how to get back to those drafts. I'm here to guide you through the process of locating your unpublished masterpieces. So let's dive in and start navigating your Substack dashboard together. To begin, you'll need to head over to your Substack dashboard. This is your central hub where you manage all your writing, publications, and audience interactions. Make sure you're logged into your account as you won't be able to access this area otherwise. Once you're logged in, find your way to the dashboard page. This step is essential because the dashboard is where you can keep track of everything that's happening with your Substack account in one convenient location. Now within your dashboard, you're looking for the posts option. It's located right at the top among the main navigation buttons. Clicking on this will direct you to a comprehensive list of all your Substack posts. This area serves as your directory of writing, whether published or unpublished. It's like looking into a vault of your creative work, neatly organized and ready to be accessed. The next step requires your attention to detail. Within the posts section, there's a specific tab labeled Drafts. This is what you're after. By clicking on the Drafts tab, you'll open up a list of all the posts you've started but have yet to hit that Publish button on. It's an excellent way to revisit those half-finished thoughts or ideas that just need a bit more polishing. Viewing your drafts is a fantastic way to see what creative ideas you have on the back burner and which ones are ripe for finishing and sharing with your audience. It also helps remind you of any unfinished business you might have. Sometimes a quick look through your drafts can spark inspiration, helping you decide which piece to complete next. Revisiting drafts can often be a source of fresh perspectives or new ideas, since you might view them with a different mindset from when you first began writing. That's the straightforward process to find your drafts in Substack. It's really that simple. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your writing projects, ensuring that no good idea ever goes unnoticed or forgotten. Managing your drafts effectively can be a powerful tool in your content creation arsenal. Thanks for watching and happy writing.